Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make churros out of pancake mix. Preheat oil to 350 degrees F and prepare a sturdy piping bag before mixing batter. Start by whisking pancake mix, water, and a touch of oil until smooth, then pipe strips into the hot oil. Fry until golden brown and drain briefly. Toss immediately in cinnamon sugar and serve warm for the best homemade churro experience. Gather your ingredients and tools before you begin so the process stays smooth and safe. Measure pancake mix, water, oil, and a pinch of salt precisely for consistent batter. Fit a large star tip to your piping bag and heat oil in a deep pot or fryer to 350 degrees F. Keep a wide bowl of cinnamon sugar nearby to coat churros the moment they come out of the oil for ideal texture and flavor. Work methodically and keep safety in mind as you fry. Whisk batter until thick enough to hold shape, then load your piping bag and test a small strip. Fry churros for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden, flipping gently as needed. Use a slotted spoon to transfer them to a rack, drain briefly to avoid sogginess, and then roll in cinnamon sugar so each churro is perfectly coated and ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.